KIG86 EAS. A severe thunderstorm was located near Menace, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mead, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Terrebonne, Xenia, Crawford, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Trenton, Franklin, Bellbrook, Maureen, Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 37 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 59. Wind advisory remains in effect until... The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Warren County, Northern Clinton County, Southern Greene County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lebanon, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mason, Xenia, Lebanon, Wilmington, Monroe, Waynesville, Jamestown, Marl, Hunter, South Lebanon, New Jasper, Mainville, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Bowersville, Port William, Paintersville, and State Route 63 at State Route 741. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 61. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 31. Wind advisory PM. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Grove City, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Quebec, Commercial Point, Lycopolis, Lockport, Darbyville, Bryce, Blacklake Estates, Duval, Slate Run Metro Park, and Derby. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The tornado warning for southeastern Fayette, northeastern Highland, and western Ross counties will expire at 4:15 p.m. the storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuasca, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Grandville South, Martin, and Beechwood Trail. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 129. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 113. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. this evening.